Finally, aciari a mũtigairĩ George Wanjaro kũgĩa mwĩhoko wa ũteithio thutha wa gũcemania na MCA na mũini mũnene wa mũgithi Gathee wa Njeri.
Hapo hivyo nimechini na Holy J.
Subscribe to Holy J. Holy J TV. Are you holy?
Hello guys and welcome back. Of course, it's your boy Holy J. Na kama huja subscribe manze, kindly consider doing that. Ruheno horoyo na ni uhoro wa aciari a the late Mwarimu George Wanjaro. Na George Wanjaro ari muini umwe wari gatu muno. Na nyimbo ciake nicithikagiririo nginya umuthi. Kuona ati ni nyimbo bado nginya umuthi cina message andu mangithikiriria. Na imekuwa story watu wamekuwa wakiongelelea sana wasanii. Tukona makereria uhoro ucio na makauga ati ni meguthie kuri aciari a the late Mwarimu George Wanjaro nigetha magikorwo makimateithia kwa sababu kumekuwa stories zimekuwa zikiendelea huku hivi watu wakisema that hawana nyumba na nginya gukona ni ati haria George Wanjaro athikirwo mugondo ucio ni wendirio na thaici matire na access ya kaburi ka George Wanjaro no korwo wi uhoro wi na kieha kingi muno na pia kukatokea story that first born wa George Wanjaro uria niwe mwanake wa mutumia wa Wanjaro wa mbere uria niwe wainirwo rwimbo ruria rwetagwo kana ka Wanjaro rwa George Wanjaro. I guess ni rwake rwa mwisho thaici ni arathinika muno na ikara kuria mwena wa Githurai na pia ye ameanza usanii na ni ahithuririe maundu maingi muno maria agereire thutha wa George Wanjaro gukua na ikakuwa story ili evoke feelings za watu sana na tukaona wasanii wengi sana wakisema wataenda kutembea huko hivyo tukaona Waithaka wa Jeni akiuga uguo Gathee wa Njeri wasanii wengi sana wa mugithi na jana tuliweza kuona Gathee wa Njeri uria bado niwe MCA wa kuria mwena wa Murang'a Gathee Ward ni aretire aciari a George Wanjaro ofisini na wakaweza kuongea kidogo pale hivyo na statement ile ararekereirie kuria mwena wa Facebook ni areketie kuga ati ni teithania na aini aya angi nigetha makorwo magiteithia family ya George Wanjaro kuona ati kimwana kia mbere kia George Wanjaro nikira athinika muno na onake ni arenda kuingirira uini na nimegukorwo makimuteithia nigetha akorwo akiingirira uini wega na kwa hiyo statement hivi ndio aliweza kusema ameweza kuandika Gathee wa Njeri original arikitie kuandika domiriri na akauga ati meet the father and mother of the late Benga musician Mwalimu George Wanjaro. Earlier today I invited them to office. We have walked a journey with this family for some time now, and having come from Gathee Ward as their leader and a musician too, I think it's time I call your attention. We do this together intensively. The son is also striving to see the light in the life and music. Right now, they don't have a place they can call home. They are borrowing shelters from relatives. If we join hands, we can make Mwalimu George Wanjaro rest in peace. Now, I know you all love his music. Same way, let's join hands and make the family rise again. Fellow leader, musicians, friends, and fans, it's my humble appeal. Honorable Gathee wa Njeri, Gathee Ward. Na haria tukona ni arekirire bica mena aciari a George Wanjaro na akahoya andu a wendi mwega na aini wenzake na leaders agimateithania nigetha to make sure the family of the late Mwarimu George Wanjaro ni agia uikaro na ni maraikara wega. Murore dio maoni maku megie uhoro uyu unaweza comment hapo tuambie maoni yako tuendelee kusubscribe, like, share, comment tuendelee kusonga vizuri. In the meantime, it's been your boy Holy J and adios. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.
Hapo hivyo nimechini na Holy J.
Holy J. Subscribe to Holy J. Holy J TV. Are you holy?